to a video. And we're going to do custom games, free for all, as you see down there. And my mic is out of battery, as you can see right there. Okay, so you guys see it. And yeah, let's start this off. Oh god, another thing. Let me just put up the volume a little bit more up. I'm sort of like that, so I have to put it like 227 or something.
Free for all.
Okay, let's do this. And I think this is my first video going on YouTube, I think. Yeah, I think.
Black Ops, weapons free.
Oh god. Look at! I'm playing with boss. Kill me!
Unit down. Shut up.
Got him.
Specialist down.
Cool. Cool. And I know the camera's a little bit bad, but it's just how...
Flame specialist.
Oh yeah, and I also got this perk that
Effective blood.
it allows me to search when enemies are coming.
Going KIA.
I need to upgrade this a little bit more. Well, that's what I have in my...
That's a kill. Effective
Oh
kill.
god, there's so many! Be small.
Unit down.
God, I can't see! Yes, I already got a lightning strike!
Set up Q.
I'm freaking out of ammo! Yes! Awesome! This is so awesome already! Already! I'm all out. I'm completely out of ammo. Kill me, somebody. Kill me. Kill me. Kill me! Thank you! I'm completely out of ammo. Purifier ready. Awesome. This is just too amazing. This is just going insane. I already won. I cannot see!
Cerberus effective.
Oh, I thought the server was down.
Unit small. Unit small.
This is a little bit too easy. No.
Cerberus kill.
They're up.
Cerberus
I like it! Oh! Darn it! Oh my god, that's the biggest! Yo, look at all the kills that I got! No, my heart is set free! Yo, pay for that! stuff. So when there's like a trip mine, an enemy's trip mine or something, I can just put this and then it'll delete it as mine. I am full of ammo. Somebody give me ammo.
They're gone.
Flight control awaiting coordinates. Order discussion. Ready for deployment. Cerberus on standby.
They're gone. Authorize Cerberus.
I'll play it, nigga. Right there. Ah!
Casino 2
Kill by Cerberus.
One count. Roger that.
Thank you for killing me. Now I got ammo. Thank you. Oh gosh. I think. Oh god. That guy's dead.